Nityanandam, let's start. Let's sit straight, visualize Bhagavan in third eye, and start with the Sadguru Vandanam. Nityanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gagana Sadusham Tattvamasyaadilakshyam Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvari Sakshibhutam Bhavaतीतं त्रिगुणरहितं Sadgurum Tam Namami. Nityanandam, such an intense satsang, literally like by Kalabhirava himself, has come down as our Guru and initiating us, giving us darshan and very powerful cognition, how we are all deluded into reactionary assumptions so easily. We slipped into that continuous delusions, and how in all our lives Sisbala and Kamsa, Ravana, all these are continuously happening and diverting us from the Guru, and continuously going beyond all these things, doing Tyaga, letting go, and constantly understanding the higher reality is the only purpose. The oneness space with Paramashiva, the beautiful space of oneness, experiencing that the Sri Kailasha of Paramashiva inside you is the only reality. All other reactionary assumptions, the delusions, continuously dragging us into the confusion, whether it is true or not, all the self-doubt, all the incompletion, all the confusions and reactions, letting go, all that is Tyaga. Such a beautiful space, Swamiji said, how Tyaga could raise us into the higher consciousness and higher reality, continuously making us understand how Tyaga can be making us understand how we can start existing in Sri Kailasha. When we do the Tyaga of all these confusion and self-doubt and not get into all these other things, the outer world issues, and only in the purpose of oneness, only celebration of Paramashiva inside us is the beautiful Tyaga space. Otherwise, getting into all these reactionary assumptions, the doubts, the confusion, whether this is true, whether I need to know that, what is happening, how is it happening, how it can be solved, why are they doing this to me, why me? All that is only Kamsa and Sisubala, Swamiji says, which is very close to us, but it's not going to give us anything except more and more delusion. Living the Charya Pada, Yoga Pada, Kriya Pada, and Jnana Pada every day removes all this very easily, such a beautiful space, because every day Swamiji gives the beautiful space of darshan and diksha, and he himself removes the doshas and making us out of all that unnecessary hassles and making us completely pure and making us manifest Paramashiva Swamiji himself as our reality. Going on understanding the higher reality, higher cognition, and ultimate reality in us, and continuously holding the Leela Dhyan inside us, and continuously celebrating the space of Paramashiva in spite of who is telling, how they are projecting, what is getting projected, whatever the outer world doesn't make a difference. How you're holding the space of your inner space only for Paramashiva matters. Continuously having the japa, holding that space of oneness with Paramashiva is the space of Sri Kailasha, the pure love. How Swamiji goes on telling us how the Parandama, the Krishna, how beautifully he is in love, even if he trusts his people to the extreme, he can make them even his own negative and simply enjoy the whole thing. Such a beautiful space of how the love is overflowing in his devotees, whatever space they are. Swamiji simply takes care of our delusion. All we need to do is be in Guruvak as Vedavak. So with this beautiful space, let's go to the Shastra Pramana today.
The Shastra Pramana for the power of remote viewing or Akashic reading is taken from the Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Sutra 84, Dharana 61. Akasham vimalam pashyan kritva drishtim nirantaram stabdhatma takshanad devi bhairavam vapurapnuyat. Akasham vimalam pashyam kritva drishtim nirantaram stabdhatma takshanad devi bhairavam vapurapnuyat.
Here in this sutra, the translation is so beautiful. Looking at the spotless infinite etheric sky, Akasha, beyond the sky clouds, one should fix one's gaze without blinking continuously and make the body of the inner space steady and motionless. In a very moment, Devi, one attains the nature and powers of infinite space, Bhairava. Swamiji beautifully says how the snake eats its own past. Continuously, we are deluded into past. Having the oneness space, having the space of Paramashiva inside us, celebrating that oneness space, celebrating the deep love, deep darshan that we had, deep initiation that we had, continuously living Paramashiva in us is making every thought, every decisions, every action. How Swamiji said, Arunagiri Yogeshwara happens in him. He doesn't even know otherwise how he can even exist. Into that level of reality, he exists and merged and simply became one with Arunagiri Yogeshwara. That space of oneness makes you manifest all the powers. Akashic reading. Swamiji has done millions of Akashic reading for all of them, including Gurukul Balasans, and such a beautiful space now. Gurukul Balasans are doing all the Akashic reading. Now today we are going to do the Akashic reading. We'll go to the instruction now. The Akasha is a pure consciousness, the cosmic canvas on which the ink of time imprint every thought instant happening, records in all dimension, the length, breadth, depth, cognition, time and space. The whole thing is how the movie goes on happening. We get so involved, we forget there is a screen behind the movie. When we remember the screen, Swamiji says, we forget the movie. When we remember the movie, we forget the screen. How we get deluded into the movie, forgetting it is projected on the screen. And so interestingly, the screen does not have any problem. How much ever the flood comes or how much ever the fire comes in the movie, it does not touch the screen. Same way, the inner space cannot be touched by the Kamsa, Sisubala, all your self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial. All this is only on the layer as long as you give attention to. But if you reside in the Paramashiva space, only holding the space for Swamiji to manifest in you, only in the Guru Bhakti, only in the space of oneness with the Guru, simply you will be raised to the higher consciousness. It's a conscious decision where you exist, whether you're giving power to the mind to go on thinking, go on asking, go on being curious, go on being blaming, go on being complaining, or in the space of only celebration, love, continuously in the space of oneness with Paramashiva. The more and more we are in the space of Paramashiva, we are going to be raised. The more and more we are in the reactionary assumption, like complaining, like going on cursing, going on telling that something is wrong, or being curious. Even curiosity, Swamiji beautifully says, it dilutes us again and again. Again and again, just being only in the words of Paramashiva, only in the space of oneness with Paramashiva, enjoying that space, simply melting away into the beautiful oneness of Paramashiva. That happens when you start looking at the canvas, which is more important than the movie which is on the canvas. Simply you merged into oneness, that is the Shakti Pada. The yogi's third eye, which is Kalabhaiva's third eye, reveals the golden letter, revealing about anything inquired. You can take a paper, have a partner. If you don't have a partner, you can Google and find out. So you can sit and write down whatever Swamiji shows, whatever question you ask. Swamiji simply reveals the answer for you. And write down all the answers and be in only the space of Mahavakya. Once the Mahavakya over, then we can verify. Simply Swamiji is going to reveal all that you need to know, and reveal that whatever you ask as from your Hridaya, what you learn is only from your mind. But what happens really is from the Akasha, when Swamiji himself starts manifesting through you. The answers that you receive is directly from Kalabhairava. Kalabhairava Prasada that we get whenever we ask Swamiji anything from inside. So let's sit with head, neck and spine in a straight line. Continuously chant the Mahavakya and hold that oneness space in Shaktipada. Contemplate on the great truth that Swamiji revealed, how we get diluted into the self-hatred, self-denial and constant hatred, denial and doubts. But beyond that, we have a space of oneness. We came here to celebrate, not to complain, not to blame, not to get curious about all these which is going in the outer world, but curious who is listening to all these which is going in the outer world will be the beautiful space of oneness with Paramashiva. More and more curious about the source, the inner space, more and more seeking, more and more Atma Tattva, self unit, the Atma, the whole Hridaya, opening up to receive Swamiji, Swamiji's blessing, Swamiji's darshan, Swamiji's initiation and the powerful cognition. Raising yourself with that is the Atma Tattva space in us. That is the beautiful consciousness which flowers inside the Atma Tattva in us. So holding that beautiful space and contemplating on such deep truth that Swamiji has given us, and chanting the Mahavakya from your navel center. The Mahavakya initiation that Swamiji has given, simply awakens the Jata Agni and the Dvadashanta and connects to the ultimate reality manifesting in front of you, in your own reality. When you manifest the reality, you simply know that Paramashiva is in you, making every thought, every decision, every action as himself in you. Celebrating that very space with your Guru and manifesting this power. Be in oneness with Paramashiva and chant Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Let's get into the meditation.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham.
Whenever we do it authentically, we leave the self-doubt behind and we understand Paramashiva has manifested that beautiful oneness space in us. The more and more we do it authentically, the joy is completely something eternal. And please share all these great truths, the Leelas that is happening through us now. How Swamiji manifested before as a kid in Tiruvannamalai. Now he's manifesting through all thousands of us right now in this beautiful space of oneness with Paramashiva. So please go ahead and share it in tinyurl.com/power manifestation. Made it easier for you. It's the same Facebook page where you can record your experience, which Swamiji has shown you just now. Your powerful cognition, which has clicked with you when Swamiji has given the darshan and diksha, and the powerful cognition. When we are enriching others, the vakyas, others, or any other way of enriching the known people, unknown people, you start getting out of delusion, Swamiji says. And when you are causing somebody, you yourself become Paramashiva because you start cloning people into the space of oneness. That's why Swamiji calls it as liberation itself. When you cause somebody, you are liberated. Simply that anugraha starts happening in you. So go ahead and share this beautiful experience. Any experience, go on sharing and sharing with the world, with new groups, new people, and go on telling about how beautiful your inner space is, more and more filled with Swamiji again and again, manifesting as your reality. The more and more we are soaked in the space, in the Hridaya, with Swamiji's continuous happening in us, the more and more the delusion disappears because we don't give importance. Simply, it just becomes redundant because it doesn't matter what goes on in the mind. We are only rejoicing Paramashiva's space inside us. Paramashiva, who has come as our Guru and giving us the Diksha, the Darshan, the powerful cognition, and making us manifest to know, hey, you can also do it. It's you. And how beautifully he pointed to us and said, hey, you. And simply you are doing it right now. That experience, when you share it, it is the ultimate in yourself to flower to the next and next possibility into your reality. When you start sharing, it becomes your life itself. All these power manifestation is to assert, to bring confidence, to know that you are Paramashiva. The core of you is nothing but Paramashiva. Whether you have manifested or not, feeling that core you are Paramashiva makes you manifest more and more powerful cognition and power manifestation. And such a beautiful space that Swamiji spoke about Balasans. Here he has given us the ultimate gift of Nityananda Gurukul happening all over the world in so many countries in different places. So go ahead and enroll your child for a 2-hour program every week up to 21 years, right from pregnancy to 21 years. You can be part of this and enroll yourself in tinyurl.com/enlightenkids, and you want to participate with the Balasans all over the world, simply start registering in Acharya Register New. Again and again, Swamiji gives us the ultimate space of oneness to understand the higher reality, and especially the kids grasp him much higher. The younger they are, the more they are aligned to Swamiji, because they are in the same space of Swamiji, and simply they will be able to grasp right from the start, and it will be the right way to start. So go ahead and register your kids wherever you are in the world. We'll reach out to you and we'll start the Nityananda Gurukul for your kid at your home, at your convenience. Such a beautiful space that Swamiji has created today for all of us. So from that oneness space, let's surrender all this and whatever we know, we don't know, everything to Swamiji's lotus feet. Again and again, when we surrender to Swamiji's lotus feet, we empower ourselves into the higher reality. All that we know and we don't know, the opinions, everything, keep on surrendering to Swamiji's lotus feet, and in deep seeking and gratitude, that Swamiji beautifully says, how you understand the gratitude is when you understand the Tyaga of the Guru. When you are in deep seeking and gratitude and prayerful space, asking Swamiji to manifest the Tyaga in you, it will simply become the reality. So with that, let's visualize Bhagavan in third eye and end with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you, each and every one of you. See you in the next satsang and power manifestation session. Nityanandam.